If you cannot download something from the Play Store on your POCO C85, here's what you can do. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna completely close the Play Store, just like that. Next, we're gonna go to the control center, and you want to disable your Wi-Fi and or mobile data. You want to turn everything off in here. After that, let's go to settings. We're gonna scroll down and open additional settings in here. Then we're gonna go to date and time. And then what you need to do is simply set or make sure that the date and time as well as the time zone is set to automatic. So if you have manually changed the date or time zone, you might need to turn it back to automatic, like this. And once that is done, you can just go back to the control center and turn everything on, like your Wi-Fi or mobile data. And then you can just open the Play Store again and try to download your app one more time. And you can also restart your phone if this didn't help. Sometimes a simple restart helps as well. So that's about it. Subscribe to my channel.